After 700 miles, it means 1,100 kilometers, this device is still awesome. Did I have any issues? No. Only brake pads needs to be replaced every 300 miles, somewhere around 500 kilometers. Because I like to ride in full throttle and braking all the time until the smoke came in from those pads. No issues with the battery, no issues with the pad. It's all fine. The signs are still there. No issues at all. But do remember to install that fender if you want to ride in the rain, because without it, it is hardcore. And look at the tires. Because this device doesn't have a front engine, the front tire is like brand new. Well, maybe not brand new, but maybe 10% wear, maybe even less. If I had a front engine, this tire will be over. But if you don't spin, you don't wear out your tire. And the acceleration for $800 is awesome. I think that's the best $800 scooter in the world. Price, build quality to acceleration. Steering column is stiff, there's no movement, nothing is loose, like in those cheap Chinese scooters, when everything is getting loose and it's pain in the ass. It's a solid device. There are two things which I don't like. Light on the front is too narrow, and the range is like 3 meters in front of you, and that's too little. And can you adjust it? Not really. You see, it's fixed. I mean, you can bend that piece of plate. That is possible. But easy adjustment would be cool. Or maybe if Kirin design a new plate. So you see that it's just a plate. Okay, we are in a city, so there'll be a lot of noise. It's police activity. You see, it's just a plate. If they make a new plate and sell it separately, that would be nice. The second thing is squeaking. Not sure why and what is squeaking, but something is squeaking. And I put a little bit of oil on all those joints all over the place, and a little bit of in there to get a better steering. By the way, if your steering is too tight, put a little bit of oil on those bearings. You don't need to unscrew anything, just a little bit of oil. It could be even chain oil for bicycles. It will do the job. Off-road. No problemo, my friendo. Off-road. No problemo. Amigo. International transportation. No problemo. Water included. Water. Is this going to work? Yeah. Ha! How cool is that? It still works. Now that is something. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Nice. Ooh, it'll be a bit shaky. That's not a problem for such a device. Acceleration, full throttle. That's plenty enough. Ooh, okay, too fast, too fast. Still. Whoa. Woo. All right, braking. And I weigh 100 kilograms, so if you're like 30 kilos lighter, It'll be a rocket. 30 kilos is like a refrigerator on your back. That's crazy. But that's what it is. There is all kinds of discount in all of them. So check it out. It's $900, but I think you can buy it even cheaper in the link in the description on the AliExpress. Worldwide shipping. I think that's all I got for now. See you next video. Bye.